माननीय श्रीमती झरना दास वैद।
Thank you, sir. I thank you for allowing me to speak on the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development Bill 2021. For any developing country, including India, financing of infrastructure project is a challenge. Generally, these projects are not commercially viable and do not provide high returns. At the same time, they carry multiple risks and the risk of execution, low tariff collection and escalation for financing cost. Therefore, it is important for the government to set out the structured financial mechanism for this project. The earlier DFIs were created during the pre-economic liberalization era. During that period, given the controlled nature of the economy and a protected industry, lending to the industry was relatively similar. The business model of DFIs was uncomplicated. Post of the economic liberalization in 1991, when the industry started opening and a lot of special benefits to the DFIs were withdrawn, the equation suddenly changed. At that time, there were 3 large DFIs that were involved in financing the large greenfield industrial project. They are IDBI, ICI, NAC, whose financing was 2.26%, and IFCI, NAC, whose financing was 4.63%. At a time when the government is bent on privatizing some of the public sector banks, creating a sense of anxiety and anger among the 10 lakhs employees in the banking sector, they are already out on the street protesting. In fact, they have issued a warning that if the government goes ahead with this privatization move, they may resort to a long bank bond agitation. Sir, the current bill does not contain adequate provisions of National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development's accountability to the stakeholders and the public at large. In conclusion, sir, setting up a new DFI in India through budgetary and legislative measures is not a difficult task, but big challenges will emerge once it is established to ensure that it is well capitalized, well managed, and remains committed to its distinct goals and core values.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.